Oh, dude. Dude, I'm a fucking dumbass. I forgot to clip my helmet. I feel like this shit's gonna be way too loud to hear me. But oh well, fuck it. What the fuck is up, everyone? Hopefully you can fucking hear me over this godforsaken bike. This shit is so fucking loud. But what's up? It's been a little bit. I've been gone for a while, but I'm fucking back. Yeah, a lot of shit has happened with me and the bike. I got into that accident a couple years ago. I wasn't really making enough money to fix the bike properly, so you know, that took a while. I eventually got that fixed. Blew up the engine, got that replaced, and then I was living in an apartment building, no garage, anything like that, and somebody tried to fucking steal my bike. Tore up the ignition real bad. But yeah, over the last year, I think it's been like 10 months since I last uploaded. I'm making more money. I'm in a better spot financially. I'm in a better spot with the bike. It's still got some work that needs to be done. Needs a new chain, sprockets, and obviously it needs a new fucking exhaust. It's way too loud. It's just obnoxious right now. You know, it's just not in the best kind of shape, but motorcycle is not #1 on the list right now. And I just realized I forgot to wear my fucking gloves. That's how much I've been riding. I completely fucking forget to get my gloves. Damn, that's a nice house. But yeah, today I kind of wanted to talk about the topic. You know, this is my first bike. I've been riding it for, yeah, almost 2.5 years. I wanted to kind of talk about upgrading, because I was planning on selling this thing. I've ended up deciding to keep the bike. Now, I love this bike. Don't get me wrong, I really fucking want to get something faster, something that isn't as beat up, I think. Something that I can cruise on the highway at 80 without being kind of afraid that it's gonna blow up. But I did want to talk about, you know, kind of why you shouldn't sell your first bike. Now, I definitely understand the upgrading aspect to it. Like I said, I want to upgrade my bike. I want to get something a little bit better, faster. You know, I have a little bit of a craving for speed, like everybody else does that rides a motorcycle. So my kind of plan for this bike is I'm going to upgrade. I'm going to get something faster. I want to keep this bike. It's going to be kind of a put around town kind of thing. And then, you know, eventually when I have, you know, 2-3 bikes, this one's just going to kind of turn into a track bike, because that's really what I want to do. I want to go to track days. Yeah, my dream has always been to not get stuck behind this asshole who fucking jumps out in front of me and then doesn't do the fucking speed limit. What a silly man. What a silly guy. Can't do nothing about it though. Gonna fucking take off and smash his mirror or some shit. Bro, some of y'all be crazy. Fucking smashing mirrors and shit. Don't get me wrong, I get it. That was me once upon a time. And too many people out here be strapped. I don't know, they'll just be on some bullshit. I'm not trying to have somebody use their car as a fucking weapon against me, because I will not win that fight. Bro, when I'm trying to record, I really realize how loud the fucking wind noise in this helmet is. Maybe it's just the fact that I haven't been on a motorcycle in a while. Man, back to the topic of the video today. Why you shouldn't sell your first bike. It's a special kind of thing. It's kind of like your first car. I sold my first car actually to buy this bike. It wasn't the smartest decision, but it's the decision that I made. I regret selling that car. It was a 2006 V6 Mustang, made 200 horsepower. But man, I had such amazing memories in that car. It was so good to me. I kind of relate it back to that. I really wish I never sold that bike. But man, I kind of relate it to the same thing. Your first bike, you're going to have so many memories on it, and, you know, upgrading is great, and if that's what you want to do, fucking go for it, man. There's so many bikes out in the world. But for me personally, I want to keep this thing as long as possible until I physically can't ride it anymore. Whoa, dude. Hold on, let me see if I'm fucking stupid. Did I just not fucking see what that semi was trying to do?
No.
Or was he being a fucking retard?
He did not need to come over like that. He didn't even need to.
Yeah, I didn't know if I was being a fucking dumbass and wasn't paying attention, if I missed something, or if he's just an idiot.
Somebody's do that. It's technically illegal.
Yeah.
There's nothing about that. That was your fault.
Okay. As long as I can ride, I want to have this bike until, you know, this thing just fucking blows up again, until it's like to the point where it's not fixable. I mean, I'm not going to throw a ton of money into this thing unless I have like a lot of track days going on. But man, we're going downtown tonight. It might be dead out there. I don't know. It's a fucking Thursday night, I think. Yeah, it's Thursday. Man, I just wanted to roll out here, get some footage, let you guys know where I'm at. This is probably going to be a really fucking shit video because I've never done like normal moto vlogs before. And man, I was just getting burnt out before. But yeah, man, I got super burnt out on, like, you know, scripted videos. I love making videos regardless, and I love interacting with you guys, talking shit in the comments, you know, just talking shit in general. I love it. But man, I was running out of ideas, and even out here I kind of run out of ideas to talk about. I finally got the equipment to do like regular moto vlogs and shit. Hopefully this video is fucking usable. I don't know how it will be with audio, but I might have to go back to scripted videos until I can get an exhaust or some shit for this thing. I'd love to be able to just chill, talk about what's on my mind in a non-scripted setting. But yeah, man, this could end up being a shit video. Nobody wants to, you know, watch it. But yeah, man, that's kind of what I wanted to touch base on today. Kind of my plan with this bike. Why you shouldn't sell your first bike, man. It's something special. It's something everybody dreams of, you know, if you're interested in motorcycles in general. Man, it's getting hot. Might have to pull over, grab a drink or something. Man, I feel like I sounded really fucking country when I said drink. I feel like I said drank. I swear to God, guys, I might be from Oklahoma, but I don't fuck my cousins. No offense to anybody that does. But yeah, man, I'm looking forward to upgrading. I really am. It's gonna be a while. Got some cars to tend to. I gotta fix this one up a little bit. She's looking a little bit old. She's looking a little bit aged. This is a sick-ass mural, honestly. I never really pay attention to shit like that down here, but that's pretty cool. You know, something I really wanted to get into also, I'm a big car guy, man. I've got a 65 Mustang. I'd love to make some videos and shit on that. I don't know if they would perform very well. I'm not gonna sink a bunch of money into it right now. Bro, that E36, I'm sorry. Man, I just said I'm a car guy. The E36, E46, I'm a fucking dumbass. But man, I love BMWs. I love Mustangs. I love all of them in between. But man, I really want to get some nice cars. I'm not really in the position to afford anything super nice. If you guys would be interested in some car content, let me know. Like I said, I love anything with an engine and wheels. anything you can go fast in. I can't go fast in that Mustang, but anything you can look fucking badass in. And I'd love the opportunity to do some cool shit on YouTube in terms of cars and shit. Cars or bikes, man. All right, I lied. It's getting a little bit hot. Mwah. Mwah. What a sexy thing. Except for the fucking fucked up carbon and the shit seats and the yellowed fairings and the fucking sun-rotted shit. Except for all of it and the missing exhaust, it's fucking sexy. See, I don't know how to feel about how this thing sounds. Oh, that backfire. So good, so spicy. That is the one thing I do really like. Oh, goddamn. Sorry, I got distracted by that G80 M3. That is the one thing I'll miss about putting a new exhaust on it, is the backfires are so crispy. They're so mwah. I appreciate you guys watching my fucking rambling about whatever bullshit I want to talk about today. I promise I'm gonna get better at these moto vlogs. I'm gonna try to keep doing them. I really do appreciate you guys watching, listening to my bullshit. If you don't mind, drop a sub, drop a like. God damn, it's getting loud. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.